Okay, it is Saturday morning. I think you are actually my last client of the day. All right. This little cutie here actually has some feather plucking on the chest. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Likes to bite mom. That's what that thing is there. And another hole over here. So mom's gonna hold on kind of tight. I actually did and over here she's pointing. All right, there you go. So mom's famous too. Anyway. It turns out that we've done a cytology and a feather exam. The feather exam definitely shows that the bird is doing all the mutilation by itself, and the feather cytology shows that we have a fungal disease or a fungal feather folliculitis. I never did finish my first cup of coffee this morning. Also on the intestine, we did a fecal sample, and we can actually see some fungal hyphae and some mycelium and stuff in there as well. And so what we're going to do is we're going to start them on an antifungal. We should be seeing an improvement in about 2 weeks. And we'll check them about that time. In the meantime, Mom, you keeping that area clean on that chest will be definitely important. Okay, use a wash out your wash, keep that clean about once a day. And other than that, that should be enough. And now we'll see if we actually have some skin soothing spray back there for you as well. All right. Hey, you. What's up? No biting mom. That's it, you're done. No more biting the mommies. And I did take some pictures of those slides, and I'll add them to this video as well. All right, later.